Hi guys, welcome back to a new tip for modeling in RFEM. It's Ayla here. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to create favorite groups within RFEM's cross-section and material libraries. So basically we have a huge library with lots of different material and cross-section types. And starting with creating a favorites group in the material library, we can access the library in the project navigator by right-clicking on material, and then we can choose new material. When we hit the symbol here, the material library appears in a new dialog box. What we already do have in RFEM are some filter options on the left side here, and we can choose, for instance, different categories like concrete, metal, or timber. Then we can also filter according to different standard groups such as the European one or German one, also the Canadian or American ones, and many others. As you can see, we have a quite long list here, and it's very helpful to create your own favorites group, in particular if you use very often just a couple of certain materials. For this, we can find down here favorite groups. When we hit this, first we have to enter a name, maybe group 1. And then let's say we use very often some certain concrete types. On the right side here, we can select our preferred concrete types. And maybe we add also a couple of different steel types like these ones. So once done, we can close this dialog box by clicking OK. And the next time we want to choose a new material, we can quickly access the favorites group which we have just created by checking the box here. And we don't have to choose a material from the longer lists. To create a favorites group for certain cross-section types, it's basically the same procedure. Again, in the project navigator on the left side, we can find cross-section, right-click and choose new cross-section. Then we hit the symbol here to open the cross-section library. You can see once again we have so many different cross-section types, such as various rolled sections or parametric sections, and as an example we are going to create a favorites group with rolled sections, in particular some I sections. Therefore we choose the I section here, then a new dialog box appears. We can find also on the left side here some filter options like the standard group here or cross-section shape. And at the bottom left, we find the option favorite group. We click this and enter a name, such as group 2. We select the cross sections we want to add to our group, maybe some of these here, and also some of these. By clicking OK, our group is quickly created. So, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.